This 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP 364 MBL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide out, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.